Hi, this is Akash. I work as an investor relations manager. 3 months back, I met with a accident when I was in a rush with my friends. With proper care and recovery, I am able to continue back to my daily activities, go to the gym, ride my bike, hang out with my friends again. The surgery went really great. I have no issues, and the post-surgical care was also super amazing. Doctor was in constant touch. Whenever there was a need to reach out to him, whether be day or night, they were always available for help and support.
I'm Shanti Girish, and he's my son. And we had reached to Dr. Nandan with a great recommendation, and we're really thankful for that because we came from we had gone to a physiotherapist for his some pain or ACL tear issue. There he has recommended Dr. Nandan. Before meeting Dr. Nandan, we have checked up with many ortho doctors, and we've never got satisfied with because his ACL tear was major. And considering his age and his passion for his ride and all the activities and sports and all, I really, as a mother, I really wanted him to give him in a safer hand so that his longevity and his work and his legs is getting more stronger with that. While during that search, and Dr. Udbhav and physiotherapist, he has recommended Dr. Nandan for his care and surgery. That's how we reached Narayana Hospital and met Nandan. When after meeting him, we got really satisfied with his consultation, and he has given us every clear guidance post, and also the pre-support was very good because we were not getting convinced with many doctors like what they have how they have advised and what he has to do and all. But with Dr. Nandan, my son also got really convinced with this.
Mr. Akash Pillai, a 24-year-old male, came to us with complaints of pain and instability. He had a twisting injury, following which he visited multiple hospitals where he was diagnosed to have an ACL tear. He was not very convinced with the treatment options that he was given. Most of the places he was given an option of ACL reconstruction, but he did not undergo the procedure, and somehow he came to us through a reference. अब इस तरह के पेशेंट जो कोई मल्टीपल प्लेसेस में जा चुके हैं एंड दे नो द ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शंस, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस टू कन्विंस देम फॉर द प्रोसीजर. सबसे पहले मैंने उनको ACL के बारे में बताया, एंटीरियर क्रूसेट लिगामेंट के फंक्शंस के बारे में बताया, एंड व्हाट could be the possible complications if he doesn't go undergo the procedure. जैसे कि in such cases these patients can have sensation of instability. They can injure their other structures like meniscus and other ligaments and cartilage. इनको हमने multiple visits पे सर्जरी के लिए कन्विंस किया, after which he got convinced and then he underwent the procedure. For such high demand patient जो कि फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, ट्रैकिंग जाते हैं, साइकिलिंग करते हैं, मोटर बाइक करते हैं, we tend to be extra cautious.
The surgery went really great. I have no issues, and the post-surgical care was also super amazing. Doctor was in constant touch. Whenever there was a need to reach out to him, whether be day or night, they were always available for help and support.